Oh my gosh. Nag-play ni. Oh. Tiguang no, di kay ba o nag-play ba or what? Ano ba tong lighting na to? So, hi guys, I'm Hannah and welcome to my YouTube channel or my diary video. So, all of us know na ay mga own struggles, challenges, mga stress. But this is the thing na ako ikasulti ninyo is this will pass through. So, just express lang inyong gibati, but never let yourself put in that situation nga dinha na jud ka like super negative na jud ang nangingibabaw. Like our emotions, our feelings that time is very valid. And if wala kay kagawsan sa imong gibati, like you don't dili ka comfortable nga mo express sa imong nga family. We have friends, if dili sad ka comfortable, our Almighty God is there always by our side, listening, just waiting for you to come to Him. Just build a healthy relationship with God. You'll be able to appreciate little things, be grateful. Kaya ba mo no, ako na-realize like in my life no, if you are a person with a grateful heart, very thankful gani, nga hopeful sad ka, blessings will come through your way. And then even though mga challenges nimo before no, ma-realize nimo nga ay those are lessons di ay imong mga challenges kay nag-shape kung kada kay mahimon ka, mas strong ka, mahimo kang faithful. Like I can express, dili ko maayo, but it's just so fulfilling and peaceful when you have God by your side and you trust in Him that things will be better, that He has planned for you, and all your dreams and goals in life is ma-achieve na nimo. And then don't be sad and don't blame God. No, hitabo nila ako, wala ko kami akong gusto. Sometimes God will redirect us to things we didn't expect asata. Like He will keep us humble and realize kung usa gani jud ang nasa atong heart kay sa ato ang community, sa atong society, sa atong environment, ma-influence kita din, ma-overwhelm ta sa mga butang nga this ganahan ko ani, like everyone is like this. So don't be afraid, don't be scared if you have different path than your mga classmates nimo before, like in this field na sila diri nag-practice jud sila sa kung unsa ilang na-graduatean. Don't be sad. Laban lang tayo. Excuse me. Diba? Giubo gihapon. And then nagpa-vaccine ko gahapon, so suko kay silang mama no. Very strong, independent person na biyat tarong. So, oh my gosh! 10:53 na. Habit na mag-11. And then, usap akong na-permahan, guys. Pwede kang uchitin lang mag-perma. Oh my God, no? Try to record yourself from time to time. And keep a diary or notes sa inyong phone or notebook. Write your goals there. And then never forget to put God in there. He will enlighten us, guide us through our way. You know? So if you're having a bad day, we all go through that time. It's just that I just want to express how peaceful it is in my life, thinking that things are not in our control. Sa jud. Like dili na to kontrolado tanan jud butang sa atong kinabuhi, and we just have to trust God and ask for His guidance, enlightenment, na to keep your faith strong. Yeah. Asa naman to akong music? I want to play this song. This is for you guys. Hala, nahimo namang DJ. Okay. This song is very close to my heart, no? Like, super close. Super close to my heart because, like, God is just so good if you know lang jud. So here it is. 10:55 na. Lord, oh, your mercy never fails me. All my life, days I've been held in your hands. The moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing the goodness of God. My life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Breath that I am able to see the goodness of God. Your voice, you have led me through the fire, darkest night, flows like no other. Nalimot mo po sa lyrics. So Father, know you as a friend. I have lived goodness of God. All my life you have been so good. That I am able. It's running after me. It's just running after. It's running after me. Surrender now. Everything. But honestly, guys, I feel bad din. Kasi lately, I haven't been able to talk to God. Like, the deep connection we had. Kaya yung super complacent na kayo ka nga. She's there. She's guiding you every day. Like, you have problems na na-encounter mo, but you trust in Him. But I miss those times na I'm struggling, like being open to Him every day. No? Sobraan na ako sa sigig cellphone. So, that's one thing that I wanna change. Where are you? Oh my gosh. 11 na and then dalawa lang aking nakuha. So, it takes pila ka minutes day mag-format ano? Duha lang sa guro no? Kay ang Juning Tiwaso. Ano? Duha lang sa kay very good. Time consuming kayo siya. So, later na lang mo 5. %, grabe ako nun eh. Sige kung video dahil. So, let's start na our reports. Banira na lang nato nino.